how do you perceive the industry of logistics amidst of the challenges?
Okay, I see Indonesian logistics industry is growing. That despite all the negative impacts from the global situations, I see there's still growth in the Indonesia's segments. Yep. Since GDP this year planned to go by 5%, then I think that for logistics there's still opportunities in Indonesia. Yep.
So amidst of those challenges, so how do you see, or can you share to us an overview about the business direction of SCG Barito Logistics in this year?
Okay, our priorities for SCG Barito in this year is we try to focus on the transitions for the digitalizations. We try to using more like technologies in our service and logistics, and then we also expand towards the more greener logistics by equipping the expanded fleet by using Euro 4 or 5 or assessing for the electric vehicles to support our operation in here. And the last one, we are trying to develop import and export logistics solutions in the Central and East Java to support the increasing demand from the overseas that we have seen in a couple of months this year.
Okay, maybe can you give us an overview about the performance in the first half of this year?
We are growing around 15% this year for the first half of 2025, and we look forward for the second half of this one. And particularly, we're looking at the import and export segments that we see there is potential in this period.
Okay, so how does SCG Barito Logistics support the Indonesian logistics ecosystem?
Yep. Since logistics industry is very fragmented, we try to support the whole ecosystem by we try to invest more of our capacity in Indonesia by expanding our truck fleet, so we can support for the growth of the Indonesian industry. Yep. And we are also at the same time trying to using the transport management system to support our growth in Indonesia.
Okay, so far. What sectors that SCG Barito Logistics cover?
Okay, we cover in cement industry, we cover building materials industry, and petrochemical industry. That's where our parent company is strong, leading strong in that area.
Do you think there is another sector? Do you try to capture the opportunity?
Okay, we have seen the FMCG, fast-moving consumer goods, is growing very rapidly in Indonesia, and we need and the industry need to be the technology-driven, so we can capture this growing market as well.
Okay, so what distinguishes SCG Barito Logistics and the competitive logistics in this today's market?
Okay, so, what makes us unique and distinguished from the other is that we rely on the synergy from our parent company, from SCG JWD. We have the presence across Asian countries. And then at the meeting with the Barito Group, we have the very profile Indonesian market leaders in petrochemicals. I think we can achieve a tremendous growth in Indonesia.
Okay, so with all those, the uniqueness or unique selling point, what are the opportunities that SCG Barito Logistics see in the Indonesian market?
We have seen a lot of expansions in Central Java. In Central Java, especially in Semarang, and also we see the many factories start looking at for the total logistics solutions, both in the warehouse and distribution of the goods in Central Java, and also same for Surabaya as well. We have seen a lot of inquiries in this area as well. Yep. So we had to position ourselves for these two areas. Yep.
Okay. Amidst of the ongoing threat, global tensions, and geopolitical tensions, do you see that these sentiments affected your business or your strategy?
Yes, in overall fundamentals, of course, negatively impacts to the economies, but at the same time, it forces opportunities. We have seen the transitions from overseas multinational players who come to Indonesia and trying to expand during the trade war. Yeah.
In navigating such complex dynamics, what are the main operational strengths that enable SCG Barito Logistics to deliver reliable and also efficient services to clients in various industries?
First of all, we have the digital platform from SCGWD in Thailand. This one we can enable us to be efficient in terms of managing the trucks in here. So we can doing more of the transportations to serve customer more efficient than the doing like manuals. Yep.
And then speaking of technology and innovation, what kind of digital transformation that SCG Barito Logistics does?
Okay. Recently we have just do the EOD system. This system we can rather than just sign a document, right? We can sign it all over the mobile device. That that's our team. According to our team calculations, we can save like 20,000 pages of the papers as part of our green initiative for the digital transformations. Yep. And also we try to optimize the backhaul transportation. This one can give us more efficiency in terms of the transportation.
As you know, as sustainability becomes a global priority, how is SCG Barito Logistics approaching the idea of green logistics, and are there any initiatives?
Green logistics is central to our identity and strategy. We guide by SCGWD ESG 4+ frameworks. We set a clear target for net zero emissions by 2050, and our approach is initiative. And our approach is not just an idea, but we try to implement it into our own daily operations. Yeah. For example, we do like a green fleet operate. We aim to expand the fleet with Euro 4 and Euro 5 emission standard, and we have plan to employ more of the electric forklift into our warehouse. And we try to optimize the transportation by the multimodal transport, which is less carbon emission comparing to trucking services. Trucking mode. With this, we try to actually use multimodal transport by sea, by train, or by rails that emits less carbon than the trucks. And we also employ a backhaul matching logistics system that rather than we let the truck coming back empty, but we have the distributed truck for the goods. Yep. So we can not reduce the waste in terms of the carbon emissions.